Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about 3 common mistakes that can cost you quite a bit of money. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW F10 F11 or G30 G31 5 series generation guys. If you need to see how to program, how to register car battery, this will be covered in this video absolutely free for your convenience, and we'll talk about 3 common mistakes people make when replacing car battery. Make sure guys you stay until the end because it can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, how do you register the battery? We'll talk about that, then we'll explain about common mistakes people make guys, okay, when replacing batteries on these vehicles. It's quite complicated to replace a battery, but it's doable yourself without much knowledge. I want to show you guys what we're going to do. Let's come here now. That's the tool that we'll be using guys here. I'll grab the key in a little bit for the car and I'll show you. This is the tool right here, the X2. We'll put the link and information in the video where you can get it from, but this is simply amazing guys. Okay, it can work on almost any car you can think of. You can access every computer system, you can do programming, coding, multiple things, and it can definitely pay itself off in one-time use. And this is the OBD connector here. So we're going to go ahead and we need to find the OBD port which is under the dash, usually under the steering wheel. See, that's the steering wheel. You come right here underneath, and here, okay, let me show you. That's the OBD port right there. We're going to go ahead, push it in, install it there, perfect. Now what we're going to do guys here, let me show you how you register that battery. We're going to come inside the vehicle. We need to make sure we have good voltage, steady voltage. You might need to recharge your battery even if you put a new one. Sometimes when you buy them off the rack, they might have a little bit lower voltage if they stayed for a long time. Now here guys, once the vehicle is on, let me show you, okay, what we need to do. We go to special functions. In special functions we go to BMS reset right here, and here we're going to select Europe, BMW. It's connecting now. It's going to communicate with the vehicle, and once it finds out guys, okay, you can see we replace the battery. The clock is not set. Okay, we will explain what's going to do now. Check it out. Okay, it's reading the VIN number now, it's decoding. It will take a little bit of time. I want to show you the whole process guys. I'm not going to stop it so you know how long it's going to take. It's loading the data, it's going to decode the VIN number, it's going to give us the exact make, model, year, engine specifications that the car comes with. And it loaded the BMW software, okay, 2010. So we'll give it some time now. Okay, and one thing guys, okay, you gotta make sure that when you do that, okay, the lights, the dash lights are on. So do not press the brake pedal, okay, no pressing the brake pedal, but press the start stop button twice, okay, and when you do that, you will have the lights on. So we're still waiting, and it should be any minute. Sometimes on some models it takes a little bit longer than others, sometimes it's quite fast. Okay, display, let me turn the light off now. Okay, what it says here, display distance reading at last battery exchange and one before last. So we can see that one. Okay, you can see the last time that it was registered. If the battery Fanari capacity was installed currently, the new battery capacity will not be displayed, blah 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 blah, and you can see, so it's not. But here now, service function finished, we're going to go, we need to, excuse me, I need to go back and select the make and model. It's going to connect and we'll continue. So when it's loaded, we click register battery exchange, continue. Okay, now we can click continue. We're going to put higher or lower capacity, you can do that. Okay, installation of battery with higher or lower capacity of an AGM battery instead of normal must be entered in this vehicle. Okay, usually the original BMW part, no. you can see the battery exchange was successful. Enter to register new battery size. Carry out the following retrofitting now in the programming system battery. So if it's done, okay, the following time and date was set successful in the vehicle. Okay, you can see. Perfect. And even set the time automatically. Check this thing out, how smart it is. Service function finished. Now, if we go, guys, under programming, okay, we can go to diagnostics. Let me see here. Under diagnostics, we're going to select VIN number, auto scan, and you can access every computer system in your car. Or most vehicles with that computerized BMWs and even other ones, anything you can think of. It covers European, Asian, American, China vehicles, quite a few. So it's going to communicate, it's going to decode the VIN number again, but now it's going to access every single computer system in the car, and some of these cars have quite a few. You can see that's the VIN number, everything about the BMW, okay. Before entering, please make sure the vehicle is safely parked. Yes, just read the guys. Okay, it will automatically, in some cases, turn the ignition on, turn it back on. It will recirculate all that stuff. Automatic switching in progress. Please wait. It's scanning now, and it's going to give us all the computer's system selection or service functions. You can see you can go to here to maintain. You have different ones: maintenance, correction, software reset. So now if you go to, okay, let me show you service functions. That's for maintenance, for body. Okay, you're going to see all the things that it's going to give us here. I want to show you quick, guys. Okay, seat powered by, you can see rain, running lights, all kind of things that can be security function. Okay, chassis, powertrain, parking brake if you're replacing rear brake pads. Most newer vehicles have the power parking brake with the motors, so you need to do that. But otherwise, you go under system selection. Let me see, under, you're going to go here, and you're going to find, okay, quite a bit of information on all these guys. You can see chassis, battery here, parking brake, and under body is where most of the things would be for the body components. And if you go to service functions, for instance, for BMW, you go to body right here, powered by, and here battery reference, record battery replacement, evaluate battery state of charge, power down order. So you can see you can do it through here, and you can even add if you need to do different sizes. Register battery, the same thing you can do through here. Now battery reference. Okay, it's going to load the information here, and after you drive it, it's going to give you the charging, how much time the battery spent in each cycle. So you can even see, guys, okay, if the battery is good, bad, how much it spent in certain percentage. So that will be calculated by the BMS, the battery monitor sensor. So these new vehicles are quite, guys, okay, complicated. That's why you need to record the batteries, but that's how you guys do it. Let's talk about the 3 mistakes people make when replacing battery now. So guys, about common mistakes people make when replacing a battery on BMW 5 Series. One thing, guys, they will just see the same size battery, they will buy it. This will be your mistake, and I want to show you how here. Okay, now when you replace a battery on BMW, guys, 5 Series, you gotta make sure that this battery is like the original AGM battery. You cannot just use a regular lead acid battery. Why? Because these newer BMWs have up to 50 different modules, computers that communicate with each other. It has the automatic start, stop and go functions, and they need steady current, steady electricity. The AGMs provides that. A regular battery can give you all kind of warnings, malfunctions, drivetrain, transmission malfunction, power steering malfunctions. You may spend thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics and mechanics for a problem that even doesn't exist. It could be just a bad battery. Mistake number 2, when replacing the battery, it's very important, guys, to know, Okay, which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first? We have a video on our YouTube channel that explains that. Check it out, because if you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers, and we did that back in the day. It cost us thousands of dollars in repairs. And number 3, people not registering, not programming the new battery when you replace it, because that can put stress on the new battery and it can shorten the lifespan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.